Scotty, you feeling a little gassy?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
I had too much gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish?
Yeah.
Oy vey.
Now I'm going.
So, putting some gas in it. It's 91. Good old dump can. You gotta give it some more angles there, Scott.
This thing's full. It shouldn't be any. I may have you open up that vent just a touch more.
There we go. We're venting.
We're venting to you, just venting, just sitting here talking.
All right, so Scott's gonna put this 5 gallons in, and then I'm gonna light it and let it run. Let it get the temp, and then I'll start sitting there to check the AC here momentarily. No leaky.
No leaky?
No leaky.
No drippy?
No drippy. Looks good to me. We're doing round 2 of the gas.
Round 2 of dumping it in the hole.
Ooh, you like dumping it in the hole.
I do.
Things Scotty is good at. According to his OnlyFans. Alright, so put another 5 gallons in. We want to have enough fuel in this to make sure that the sender is completely submerged and sealed. Beautiful.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't even thinking.
Way to go, Scotty. It's okay. You're clocking out in like 38 seconds.
Right?
He's seriously dumping this gas and he's done. And then I'm firing it up. And we'll check on the AC.